eastern McCormick County in central South Carolina until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Saluda County Airport to near Wrightsboro, moving east at 20 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include North Augusta, Grovetown, Evans, Thompson, Batesburg, Leesville, Martinez, Edgefield, Saluda, McCormick, Harlem, Johnston, Lake Colton, Ridge Spring, Clarks Hill Recreation Area, Edgefield County Airport, Elijah Clark State Park, Mistletoe State Park, Wrightsboro, Village Plaza Shopping Center, and J. Strom-Thurmond Dam. This includes Interstate 20 in Georgia between mile markers 167 and 198. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Fairfield County in central South Carolina, southeastern Newberry County in central South Carolina, central Lexington County in central South Carolina, northern Richland County in central South Carolina, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Jenkinsville to 7 miles south of Prosperity, moving east at 45 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbia, Lexington, West Columbia, Casey, Irmo, Forest Acres, Springdale, St. Andrews, Dentsville, Oak Grove, Highway 6 at Lake Murray Dam, Red Bank, South Congaree, Pine Ridge, Gaston, Arcadia Lakes, Columbia International University, Jenkinsville, Harbison State Forest, and Sesquicentennial State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 126 between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 51 and 82. Interstate 26 between mile markers 84 and 120. Interstate 77 between mile markers 0 and 26. The forecast for Aiken and surrounding areas. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Showers and thunderstorms, mainly this evening. Lows in the mid-60s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles.